Namaskaram. Welcome to another video on how to correct our posture for a healthy back. In this part, we are going to discuss about the correct ways to walk, sleep, sit on the floor and defecate. So let us get started. What is the optimal walking posture? Maintain a straight spine while walking as it decreases wear and tear on your joints, muscles and ligaments. It also prevents back, hip, neck and leg pain. Keeping your eyes forward 10 to 20 feet away and concentrating will strengthen the muscles of your eyes over time and improve your overall posture. Keep your chin parallel to the ground and avoid slouching, hunching or leaning forward as it will improve your posture and make you look more uptight and confident. While walking, maintain a low and straight back. This increases energy levels, makes breathing easier, prevents back and hip pain and promotes better balance and stability. Swing your arms side to side but do not swing across or above your body because it activates and stretches muscles of the shoulder, back and chest. Put your heel down first, then drive your toes into the ground because it helps you prevent injuries to your lower body. Do not slouch while moving. Slouching puts your body in an unnatural position that can impact certain abdominal organs. Put on appropriate footwear which will give comfort and rest to your calf muscles. Now let us move on to see what is the correct position for sleeping that will keep your posture intact. It is beneficial to sleep on your left side on a thin mat. Avoid using a cushion as this keeps your spine in alignment, makes breathing easier and ensures that your heart and body are perfectly circulated. While seated on the floor in the squatting position with the spine straight, shoulders relaxed, elbows on the side of the body and the forearms resting on the thigh or any other mudra is preferred. It aids in the relaxation of the body, calms the mind and the nerves, increases blood supply to the head, increases the ability to concentrate and stimulates the digestive function. Now, the optimum position to defecate is a squatting position also known as Mal Asana. This position naturally presses the lower abdomen, eases the peristaltic bowel movement which causes the stool particles to pass out smoothly and completely and allows the gas to escape readily. We hope all these postures will aid you in walking, sitting and standing in a correct manner. Let us know which other topic you'd like for us to cover next. Wish you a healthy life. Pranam.